This 2022 Keystone Alpine 3,712 kilobytes is a fifth-wheel RV. It is located in Nacogdoches, Texas, 75964 and is offered for sale by Genuine RV Store. This new Keystone is 41 feet 6 inches in length and features 5 slideouts, a Stanton interior, sleeps 6, LP detector, slideout, TV antenna, smoke detector, DVD player, air conditioning, self-contained, spare tire kit, external shower, stove-top burner, and 54 gallons fresh water capacity. The floor plan layout of this fifth wheel features front living area, rear bath. The unloaded weight of this 2022 Keystone Alpine 3,712 kilobytes is 14,280 pounds. This 2022 Keystone Alpine 3,712 kilobytes. For more information and pricing on this unit, and to see all units available for sale by Genuine RV Store, visit RVUSA.com.